Vallabhbhai Patel jayanti, National Unity Day best wishes. Om, today is National Unity Day, the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. After independence in 1947, he united more than 560 princely states. Today, Indian Union, Bharat Desh, India stands for unity in diversity. United we stand, divided we fall. So, in spite of our differences in language, culture, belief systems, etc., we stand united for the welfare of all in the country and for the good of the whole world. Islamic terrorists and jihadis are lurking all over India and the world who want to destroy this unity. The Islamic jihadi terrorists are ready to go to any length to destroy unity, for they want everything that is good and grand for themselves only and for their own community. They believe in loot, rape and murders so that they can enjoy all sensual pleasures while living on earth, and after death they are sure that they will get 16-year beautiful, ever young 72 huros, girls and 16-year boys for enjoyment. We should be ever careful and watchful about them, and their activities must be nipped in the bud so that no harm is done to the unity of our country. Recently, on 7th October, we have seen what Islamic jihadis, Hamas, have done in Israel, raping women, butchering about 1,300 people. We should by all means keep an eye on their suspicious activities. Human values of right understanding, harmony, peace, love, unity, sharing and caring, and service to all should be compulsorily taught to all people right from primary school for the welfare of the whole of humanity. Jihadi mentality must be eliminated, and all of us should live in peace, harmony, bliss and love. Om Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.